So, welcome, Carver Machiavelli here again. Easy one. Let's jump right into it. The sum of the squares of the first 10 natural numbers is 1 squared, 2 squared, blah blah blah. The square of the sum of the first 10 natural numbers is 1 plus 2 plus 10 squared, 55 squared, and so on and so forth. Hence, the difference between the sum of the squares of the first 10 natural numbers and the square of the sum is 3025 minus 385 plus 2640. Find the difference between the sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers and the square of the sum. So there is an easy life hack that you will probably learn in your first year in calculus if you study mathematics. Sometimes you learn it in computer science as well. And basically, let's square sum. It's a formula for calculating this stuff. And it is n times n plus 1 times 2 times n plus 1. There's also a proof that you have to perform by induction, and you can either do the proof yourself. It's a bit of a tedious proof, but it's doable, or you can look it up on the internet. I've done it more than enough times in my academic history, so I'm quite familiar with this formula. So the other one, this one, is the famous Gauss sum formula. It has a little mathematical history. This little kid named Gauss was in first grade, and his mathematics teacher gave all of the kids an exercise to sum all the numbers from 1 to 100 together. And the teacher gave them around an hour or so because his teacher was kind of a fan of torture, but Gauss violated him and completed it in 5 minutes by using the following formula. Let's call it integer sum squared. So the formula he used, oh, there is missing a 6 here, so now it's correct. The formula he used was n times n plus 1 divided by 2. And this takes this sum into a formula. So now the only thing we have to do is math.out, put this into brackets, and square it. Then return square sum, and we should be done. Before I embarrass myself again here, let's check with the output if I'm correct with this one. And I'm correct. Let's see. This is it. Thank you for watching.